I'm planning on forming a corporation or an LLC, but I don't know what state to form it in. So an LLC, limited liability company, or a corporation is formed generally under the state law of each state. In the 50 states, you can choose which state you want to set up your company. A lot of people assume if I'm in California, I have to set up a California corporation or a California LLC. That's not true. You can actually go form a Delaware corporation or a Nevada corporation. Even if you don't live in those states, you have to have a registered agent, meaning someone in that state that you pay $100 a year to accept any mail, like any lawsuits against the company, go to that person. But otherwise, you don't have to be physically located in those states. And the reason that a lot of times we recommend to our clients an LLC or a corporation, for example, Nevada, Delaware, various number of other states, is because state laws vary. They're different. California, an LLC, a single owner of an LLC can have more repercussions in terms of people coming after their personal assets under charging order statutes and exceptions versus Nevada and Delaware and some other states that have better protection for the owner under some of those same statutes. So it's more difficult for somebody to sue the company, get a judgment, and go after the owner's personal assets. So it can make a big difference where you form your LLC or corporation. And for example, if you're doing business in California, you set up a Delaware LLC, you're based in California, you just simply have to register that LLC with the California Secretary of State to let them know, hey, we're doing business in California, even though we're a Delaware LLC. So those are some legal requirements that you need to comply with in order to create the business out of state, but be operating in a different state.